Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix audio not working on Zoom. So if your audio is not working on Zoom, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix that. And in this video we're only going to look at the Zoom app itself, so we basically assume that your audio is working over on other apps, so we're not going to go into any other settings besides the Zoom app. So yeah, this will work over on your Mac, over on your Windows, so just follow along. The first thing you can do is open Zoom and then go to the top right corner of your screen here and then click on settings right here. Once you've done that, what you can do is click on audio right here, and basically once you have to click on audio, what you need to do is make sure that speaker is basically set to the speaker you are currently using. So what you want to do is either set it to system speakers, so same as system. You can also set it to any other speaker that you are currently using. This is basically the most important step. Just make sure that you are using the right speakers. Make sure the right speakers are basically selected. That's extremely important. And then the second thing what you need to make sure to do is that output volume is set to at least a little bit. If it's completely off or basically almost off, then it means that you will not hear anything. So it's really important that it's at least over the middle. Otherwise you will just basically not hear anything. Now if you make sure that your speakers are basically correct and that output volume is also correct, what you can simply do is head over into keyboard shortcuts right here, and you want to make sure to just completely disable these shortcuts right here. Unmute my audio, that's really important, and make sure to disable mute audio, because sometimes when you just accidentally click on that button, then it will literally completely mute the entire Zoom app, and you don't want that to happen basically. So just make sure to remove those shortcuts basically. That will definitely help you out for if you accidentally click on that shortcut. Now what you can also simply do is join a meeting like this, and basically once you've done that, what you can simply do is, let me quickly just remove all of it. What you can do is go to the bottom left corner of your screen right here, and you can click on test speakers and microphone. Basically once you've done that, Zoom will just test your microphone and speakers. And if your speaker is working, then it should pop up just like this. It should put an output level. So you can just click right here, test speaker microphone. And as long as those bars are moving, it means that your audio is working. Now if it says that your audio is working, however you're still not hearing your other, basically your co-host or someone else over on Zoom, then it most likely means that either that person doesn't have a right mic, you've accidentally muted them, or their microphone is just not working at all, or they are muted. So you just need to make sure to troubleshoot that on that person's side, because everything you have done should be fine. And yeah, that's basically all you need to do. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.